Because the way this is made, even though the back of my windshield or the back of my window was really dirty, all I had to do was go over it again and it cleaned right up. Perfectly clean window. Here's how it worked with the inside of my windshield. So it's basically just a rag with elastic on it, and then you get these 3 extra rags, so you can just throw these in the wash. But the handle, you can see it's telescoping, so it can get longer or shorter, and then you just twist it to get it to stay in place, and then it also rotates. So get a nice glass cleaner and just spray it on there. Then when you need to clean the inside of the glass, you don't even have to get up and move. You can sit in your chair. Oh, so relaxing, so nice. This is the easiest I've ever cleaned the inside of my windshield. This is really nice. So I just sprayed this and then cleaned it all over the window. And it's kind of hard to show on the window. There you go. You can see it left kind of some liquid behind. So I just put on this dry rag and I'm going to use it to kind of basically dry it off. So just move this over everything, get it to spread out more, let it dry a lot faster without any streaks. I know this is going to be hard to see, but there are no streaks. This works well. I think I probably put too much on, and honestly it took kind of a while to dry, but that is as clean as it's ever going to get. Honestly, if you want something that just makes life easier, it's not really expensive, but it's worth it.